Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mayumi Panaba. I'm 25 years old and I live in Tabuk City, Kalinga, Philippines. I have a live-in partner with 3 children, a 9-year-old girl, 6-year-old boy, and a 4-month-old boy. My mother's name is Mercedes Panabang and my father's name is Villamar Javier. They are both vendor. I am the only child in the family. I graduated from high school and I trained as a caregiver and I am now a certified caregiver. Ma'am and Sir, this will be my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I have worked in the Philippines as a helper for 7 years. My first employer, I worked 4 years. We are 3 helpers at home, but my main duty is to take care the elderly woman. Help her take a bath, cook food for her, monitor her vital signs, and help to take her medicines. But sometimes, I clean the house, I cook food for the family, and I do ironing, while the other helpers doing the household chores and taking care the 1-year-old boy. My second employer, I worked 3 years. We are 4 helpers at home, but my main duty is to take care the 2 kids, a 6-year-old boy and a 8-year-old girl. My duties are wash their clothes, cook food for them, taking them to school, and picking them up afterward, while the other helpers doing the household chores. Ma'am and Sir, I know how to cook Filipino food, but I am very willing to learn to cook Chinese food. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to support my family, especially my children, and to help my parents. And to my future employer, please choose me because I'm hardworking and honest person. Thank you for considering me and God bless.